What is good, everybody? Back like we never left. And today, we're going to talk about potential, your potential, and whether that potential means anything when it comes to your success. If you are new to the channel, though, my name is Weav, and here we coach you on your personal growth and development. We always help push you forward so that you can grow in your respective careers in business and entrepreneurship. And we always help you build long, meaningful, and lasting relationships. Now, without any further ado, you know how I am. I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. Our potential lies somewhere between what is and what could be. Potential. Having or showing the capacity to become or develop into something in the future. And hopefully that something is meaningful, right? Because depending on how old you are, you have more than likely met a lot of people in your life that have incredible potential. Somebody who is super talented in sports, someone who was naturally gifted in a specific subject in school, someone who was just a great artist, someone who is just naturally gifted and just has potential. But the reality about potential is it will never mean much to you or your progressions and growth in life without some backbone to put it into good use. If you are an incredible artist and love to draw and make money off doing it, but don't have the passion to make it your passion, it means nothing. If you're a great track athlete and you've been told that you can go to the Olympics if you stay on your grind, it means absolutely nothing if you don't have the work ethic and the drive that it takes to get there. If you're someone who's book smart and you could be a scientist for NASA, it means nothing if you don't put it to good use and go to MIT to get a head start on where you want to go in your career. But your path, your journey, your course of action, your follow through, your passion, understanding your why in life, putting in the work behind the scenes, that's what's needed to turn your potential into dollars, into success, into what you desire in life. See, inside every seed is the potential for an incredible harvest. But what do you need to do first on your journey from turning that potential into living your dream? First, you have to realize your greatness, unleash your potential, and don't be afraid to share it with the world. The course of action that's necessary for you to win at life, at your life, is a necessary adjustment to achieving your goals. Yes, on your path, things can and will become uncomfortable. But behind your potential, there has to be a tireless work ethic, a passion of epic proportions to win, a thirst for more in your life. More importantly, there needs to be an undeniable yearning that you will have better for yourself. See, because life isn't complicated. It's just not easy. See, it's not easy to go against everything and everyone's thoughts for you to go open up that business you want to open. It's not easy to leave that unhappy marriage. It's not easy to leave your family and travel across the country to go to a school that will help in your career field of choice. It's also not easy to accept your destiny. So many times we fight the urge. We fight that urge to go back to school, to chase our dreams. We think of what society has taught us to think about how you should play it safe. Listen, no one has success without the grind behind it. No one who has success, wealth, a flourishing business, a TV show, a rap career, or any profession that is extremely successful that you might see on TV or on the internet, they never played it safe. They took a risk. They went out on a limb to pursue their passion, and they didn't let anything or anyone stop them. So unleash your potential onto the world. Water that seed so that you can begin to grow. Change your mindset and quit thinking so little of yourself. Quit playing it so small and go for it. Stop letting your social circle or your partner or your work peers determine your attitude about whether or not you should go after it. Your potential means nothing if you do nothing. I can't tell you how many gifted people I have met in my life that just didn't have the work ethic to go behind the talent. And that talent means absolutely nothing unless the work goes behind it. Unless the grind is as strong about their end game as it is about failing. And failure is undefeated. So get ready mentally for the trek of a lifetime. But have patience on your journey. Accept your success, just like you have accepted the mediocrity of your living up until this point in your life. And be bigger than your circumstances. Be bigger than your life is right now. Act as if. Be bigger than your friend who's afraid to do the same. Be bigger than your neighborhood that you grew up in. Be bigger than your bank account is right now. Just be bigger and make the life you want, and stop waiting to put in the work and put in the work. Because trust me, the life you want is on the other side of your potential. The hardest thing for people about getting started with that potential and the work ethic behind it is always getting started. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in today. I'll be back with another video for you guys soon. But in the meantime, go get started on unleashing your potential onto the world right now. And while you're at it, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired. And as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.